What's going on, guys? Dr. Joe here with County Line Chiropractic, your auto accident doctor. We're here with our patient, Mr. Whitney, and we're going to go ahead and get him adjusted here. Mr. Whitney's been coming to us for a couple of years. Workout, 3-4 days a week now?
Yeah, last year was 5.
5 days a week, so we got to get him tuned up here so he's ready to go for his workouts. He's got a little restriction in that middle back. We're going to get that cleared out right now. Big breath in for Miss Whitney and let it out. Beautiful. Excellent. Very good. Let's get this side up. All right, we're going to go ahead and get Mr. Whitney's lower back adjusted, doing all those squats and deadlifts in the gym. Help relieve a little bit of that pressure there. And let's go ahead and rotate your hips. Go ahead and breathe, my friend. Good. Excellent. On to the other side of Mr. Whitney's lower back here, also known as the lumbar spine. Big breath in for Mr. Whitney and let it out. Good. Rotate the hip all the way over. Beautiful. Feeling a lot of relief from his upper neck adjustment, so we're going to go ahead and get his neck adjusted right now. And, ooh, right there. I can feel it. Nice and easy. Excellent. Excellent. Big stretch. The power is on.